Hello! How are you enjoying the course so far? We still have 2 more lessons, so get ready to learn some new rules. In this lesson, we'll cover central or middle sounds. We already talked about t and d in the first lesson, and we mentioned s and z, but we'll dive deeper into them in this lesson. You learn when to pronounce y, j, and ch sounds, and how the r sound affects the vowels. We'll talk about the floss rule. No, it's not about flossing your teeth. You'll do some activities to show that you understand the spelling rules. You will create another tongue twister using the words you collected in the introduction lesson. So let's get on!